We were at a poolside at an all-inclusive resort.
They're playing reggae.
They're playing reggae music, and you know, we're rocking by the poolside, beer in hand. So Paul told me before he went to church this morning to kind of get dressed, get ready to record a vlog as soon as he gets home. And he's currently on his way home, so I'm hurrying. Leila and Zahra have not been here. It's just been me, Hannah, and Eden and Ava. So that's been good. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Hey. You want some mango? You want to go outside? You soon get it. No, wait. Come, let's go outside. Who is that, baby? Who is this, baby? Who's that?
Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. You want to come outside? You want to come outside? You're behaving yourself? You're climbing grill? Excuse me? I'm coming in. What's up?
I was church.
It's okay.
What's that?
Alright, so here's the story. Just came back from the supermarket and church, which is why I'm dressed in this. Got this. And I'm proposing that we eat it by ourselves and don't give any of the kids.
No. At least give Eden and Ava one, because we kind of ordered birthday cake for us. Chocolate mocha, not baby kind of cake.
They tried it though. Again, they didn't want it. I don't think they'd want this anymore.
At least give them this pink one.
If you give them the pink one, that will leave 5. I can get 3. You get 2. You have 5 seconds.
You can get. You eat 5 and I get 2.
5 is left. After I get the pink, 5 will be left. I eat 3. You get 2.
How is that fair? Can we both split it evenly?
How
Two
can
and a
you
half.
No, 3, 2.
So.
Fine.
I don't understand. Why is it that you get 3 and
You
I
are the
get
one
2?
you want to give the baby them cake. They got cake.
So it's my sacrifice. I'm sacrificing
Yes,
one of mine.
They got cake on the day they didn't like it. I don't think they like this anymore either. So you'll probably be eating this anyway, the pink one.
Wow.
Deal?
It's reluctantly. I make the deal only because I want to eat cupcake.
Okay.
Nope. Do you know where my glasses case are? Is
your glasses case? No. No.
Something tells me that Eden and Ava has something.
I think it's
to
probably
do.
behind one of the beds. Probably the bed. I feel like it would have drop around there.
Not there. Can you look under the bed?
Okay. Nope, not here.
My glasses are actually really quite dirty, and my glasses case has that microfiber, that little cloth in there to clean it, and I can't find it. So the glass is dirty and I can barely see out of it. I know you guys had something to do with this. Can I have my purse, please? Can I have my purse? It's really windy out here. Oh, but the wind has brought good things. Thank you, breeze. Thank you, mango tree.
So here's Mrs. Reed with her Sunday Gleaner.
And her dirty glasses that can barely see anything.
You're okay. And Eden with her mango. Ava with her mango. And they have on their nice, cute bibs. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that because I have my bib as well. I'm actually going to eat some mango. Just coming from church. Good morning, neighbors, by the way.
Oh, by the way.
Where were our manners? Where were our manners? Where are?
Yeah.
But that is the manners should have come before.
Yeah,
is the manners in past tense?
Okay.
Let's not go there. Let me change the sentence altogether. Morning, hope you're doing good. If you're new to the neighborhood, join, subscribe. We are a family of 7. My name is Paul. Couple sets of twins and a teenager.
Listen, let's get real about this. I know there are some of you who are watching this channel who have been watching us for a while. There are people out there watching me and my host month in, month out, week in, week out, who are not subscribed yet. What's up with that? So, I just want to put it out there that if you're not yet subscribed, do hit that subscribe button. When you click on the bell, please click all so that you can see all the notifications for our posts as well as our videos. Thank you very much. Now back to our regular programming.
That sounds like a politically motivated click on the bell. But check if you subscribe, just look below the video. If you see subscribe in grey, then you're good. If you see it saying subscribe, like in red or so, click it and then we'll sort out. So, Leila and Zahra is not at home.
Woohoo!
Since last night, they have not been home. I sent them to their...
Their very first sleepover, guys. Oh my gosh. That was gonna be my original title. Their very first sleepover.
Oh.
But you had a way more exciting title for this vlog.
Alright, if you just had the camera from me one more time, I was going to give her the phone and just call it a day because, as far as I know, I'm here. She's reading the paper.
Lena's for $185 now? When did that happen?
Everything gone up there.
Wow. I remember when we were struggling to find small change for Gleaner because it had gone from $100 to $120, and then it went to 100 and I guess I jumped the 130 stage. I remember it going to 140.
It just ballooned. Maybe it's after COVID. They're just like, you know what, that's all the increases that we missed.
Yeah, so we spent $185 just for this section of the newspaper.
So Leila and Zahra are at their grandmother's house, my mother's house, and they've been there from last night. I called Tina and I said, Tina, you know that your children are over here eating dinner and feeding themselves, and she was like, what? Because on a regular day, we feed them the dinner, we share the dinner, and then they're like, I want you to feed me and give us 1 words with getting the food down. Go to my mother's house, well-behaved children. I'm like, who are these people? So anyway, we're going to relish the moment, and until they come back later, we have something to deal with. So first on the list is a 6-pack. Now what you were thinking, a 6-pack of muffins.
Cupcakes.
So I have these 6 muffins to devour, 3 for me, 3 originally for Tina, but she's giving 1 to the twins. That is on her account.
No, actually, Hannah is here. We cannot eat and not give Hannah. I'm fine not giving any to Leila and Zahra because whenever anything come into the house, they actually automatically assume that it belongs to them.
Right.
And so they get it anyway. Ice cream, cake, cupcake, whatever. But I think Hannah deserves one. I'm sure she would appreciate this chocolate one here with all the yummy, you know, chocolate fudge and stuff in it. So I will be the good mom and I will sacrifice another muffin.
Wow.
And so I will only have one muffin while you sit there and stuff your face with 3 muffins. How you feel about that?
Sounds like a plan. So next up on this. Listen, my conscience free now. This is all I can get for the week.
Did you have the last slice of chocolate
I'm trying to have a moment with my wife, and she's here thinking about the children. She just cannot get out of the parenting mode. And you see, in the assumptions she talk about that we need to be deliberate about setting time together. And I'm trying to just have this moment, and they're giving away more cupcake. No, sir, she on her own. Now for my first cupcake, I'll have. Which one do you want for yourself?
I'll take this
Okay.
purple one.
I'll start with this one. Yellow. Sprinkles.
It's good. Where you bought these? Hilo or Progressive?
Hello. One done.
What? You finished the cupcake already?
Yeah.
I didn't see.
Want to do it again? You don't take my word for it. So, we're just actually really tired, and so we'll let Leila and Zahra sleep by my mom. So, they think we did it for them, but we did it for us. Because just need a break. Yeah.
Yeah, the house felt so light, so, you know, free. Don't get me wrong, we love them. We will eventually miss them, but not right now.
Oh boy, and it was just, when was it, Thursday?
Yeah, we're kind of pathetic.
Or Wednesday?
What? Probably Wednesday. Yeah, it was shortly after the whole birthday thing, and we were.
What were we doing?
We're really exhausted. We're really tired, and we're both in bed. I think you had bought.
I bought 2 Smirnoff apple, the new flavor Smirnoff.
No, man, it's not Smirnoff. It's Red Stripe apple.
So we were testing it out. And well, everybody else was in bed, was asleep. So we were in the bed with the bottles of apple, Red Stripe, and we were like,
imagining that we were at a poolside at an all-inclusive resort somewhere, and
I think we literally said it out loud. Imagine we're at a poolside at
the
an
band is
all-inclusive
playing,
hotel.
and you know,
We could. They were playing reggae.
they're playing reggae music,
Yeah.
and you know, we're rocking by the poolside, beer in hand, just listening. We just finished having dinner.
Right. It was a good time.
Yeah, it was a great time actually. Like you, it was all in our imagination.
And I think we're going to do it again, like 2 nights after, with Red Stripe.
Right, you bought he bought actual
Proper
Red Stripe,
But
he went ahead and had it without me. I guess
she
you
went
needed-
ahead and slept without me.
Listen, that is coping skills in 2 different ways, right?
Okay.
So
I'm not a drinker, by the way.
needed alcohol,
Hold on, no. I'm not a
and
drinker.
I needed sleep
I'm not a drinker. I don't.
to cope with the pressures of life.
Yeah, but we just had those moments where we said, you know what, let's just take a trip mentally. And so
Yeah.
today
That was fun actually.
It was
kind of
kinda
fun, even if it was just for a moment. It's good to know we're in the same boat. At the end of the day.
That's why the title is about the cruise.
We can do that for our next, imaginary trip.
Yeah.
Or next imaginary mini vacation.
Right. So the next imaginary trip, we can be on a cruise. I'm not really a fan of the cruises, by the way.
I've never been on a cruise. You?
No.
Yeah, why are you looking at me like that for? You
I'm
didn't have a life before you met me, though. I haven't known you all your life.
I'm not fond of the cruise idea. I like being grounded. I don't like being on the idea of being on water for days in the middle of the ocean. Not very appealing to me.
Cruising is pretty.
Not to me.
Cruising is pretty safe.
Have you been on a cruise? If you have, let me know how it went. Be honest. Don't just tell me the good stuff. Some people just. If you get seasick and them things, they let me know. If a disease broke out and food poisoning, let me know. Don't hold back.
Those are my biggest fears.
Sanitation
the foodborne diseases, because thousands upon thousands of people at a time that you're feeding, and you're out there at sea. That happens. It happens.
But we're just relieving some stress right now, and we hope
we're living it up before Leila and Zahra comes home.
Yeah, we hope on a Sunday evening.
Tell them the truth.
You can also find something to unwind and prepare yourself mentally.
For Monday. Oh my goodness, it's Monday. Tomorrow. Yeah. How are you preparing for Monday? This is it, right?
Let's not talk about it.
You have Monday morning blues, like.
From Saturday night.
It's from Sunday. Yes, it's true. It's from Saturday night. From Saturday night, Paul mood start to slowly change, and it reaches its high when he goes to bed on Sunday.
High or low? The
height
of it going down.
It is the height of it going down.
So it's getting lower.
Right. Which, but you'll pick yourself up
by the
time Monday comes, which is amazing. What I find. Only per time you guys get encouragement from Paul. He's encouraging himself, is it?
True. So what are your plans for this week, neighbors? How do you unwind? Where do you go when the quarantine done and everybody touch road?
Where do we go?
But yeah, the rain is actually coming down now, and this may be a sign that we need to stop. What do you think? Hope you have a good week, neighbors, and as usual, big up.
Yeah, we're gonna go prepare for Monday.
Yeah. So hope you have a good rest of Sunday. Have a good week. And this is just to check up and let you know that we're doing good. Hope you are doing good as well. Let us know in the comments how things are. But encouragement today is push on for the week. Get done what you need to get done. And keep focused. Go with God. And big up from me. And this cupcake eating one. You realize say I eat one cupcake, you see me eat one cupcake. You see the all now she don't stop?
It's one cupcake.
All now she don't stop, But it's alright. I'm just happy that you're seeing. Leila and Zahra is not even here.
You not neighbor.
Bye. Take care.
Found it.
You not neighbor.
Yep.